time when ghosts are present, practicing their terror with ghoulish delight.
That's great, yeah.
Our tour begins here in this gallery, where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Your cadaverous pallor betrays an aura of foreboding, almost as though you sense a disquieting metamorphosis. Is this haunted room actually stretching? Or is it your imagination? And consider this dismaying observation. This chamber has no windows and no doors. Which offers you this chilling challenge to find a way out. Of course, there's always my way. Oh, I didn't mean to frighten you prematurely. The real chills come later. Now, as they say, look alive, and we'll continue our little tour. And let's all stay together, please. There are several prominent ghosts who have retired here from creepy old crypts all over the world. Actually, we have 999 happy haunts here, but there's room for 1,000. Any volunteers? Loved ones by the hand lead and fight for peace. Oh yes, and no flash pictures.
Do not pull down on the safety bar, please. I will lower it for you. And heed this warning. The spirits will materialize only if you remain safely seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children, please.
Para su seguridad, permanezca sentado y mantenga las manos, brazos, pies y piernas dentro del vehículo y cuide a los pequeñitos. Y ahora, prepárese.
Find life unlivable here in this ghostly retreat. Every room has wall-to-wall creeps and hot and cold running chills. Listen.
give us a hint by ringing a bell. Serpents and spiders, tail of a rat, call in the spirits wherever they're at. Rap on a table, it's time to respond. Send us a message from somewhere beyond. Goblins and ghoulies
The
from
happy
last
haunts have
Halloween.
received your sympathetic
Awaken the
vibrations
spirits with
and
your
are beginning to
tambourine.
materialize. They're assembling for a swinging wake. Don't be expecting me. I'll see you all a little later.
Playful spooks have interrupted our tour. Please remain seated in your doom buggy. We will proceed in just a moment. We will continue our tour momentarily.
They have selected you to fill up and will haunt you until you return. Now I will raise the safety bar, and a ghost will follow you home.
Please exit to your left by stepping away from cars with effective purposes.
Be sure to bring that certificate if you decide to join us. Make final arrangements now.
Thank you so much.
Details if they light up and stuff.
I got